What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look what I got here. I got the TCL 10 Pro. That's right. I wanted to thank the folks over at TCL for sending this over. Now, this is part of their premium affordable Android smartphones that they're releasing this year, and I'm gonna do a unboxing and first impression on this bad boy. Can it compete with the $1,000 smartphone at half the price? We're gonna check it out.
For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want to act, not to go.
All right, so the TCL 10 Pro. Woo-wee. This is, don't you love the noise when you open up a new device? Let's just give it to you. Isn't that nice? That's right. Yeah. TCL. As you know, TCL is one of the, I think it's the second largest TV manufacturer in the world. This looks a lot like some of the devices that are out there that are a lot of money. It's reminiscent of, or reminiscent, I'm not sure what the language is there, but it is reminiscent of a OnePlus 7 Pro, Samsung S20, S10 Plus, and look at that, headphone jack on deck, 3.5 millimeter. We missed that, don't we? Type-C in effect. This is a nice color. It only comes in one color in the 10 Pro. You got them 4 cameras there on the back, the 64 megapixel main shooter. You have the 16 megapixel wide angle. You have the low light video, and you have the macro shots. So this thing is not bad. I will say that. We're gonna fire this puppy on, and we're gonna take a look. We're gonna give it a little ride, give it a little first impressions from TCL. It is the newest, latest and greatest from their phones. They also have a TCL 10L. They're also gonna be coming out with a 5G joint this year. TCL, powered by Android. This is their premium line of affordable Android phones, both the Pro and the 10L. I just kind of want to give you guys, this is, I like this camera array more than I do from like the Pixel or some other devices, because it just bothers me. Some of these, like the Ultra and the Pixel 4 XL, and also the iPhone too. I mean, the iPhone 11 Pro, it's just, I hate the, look at that. All right, so I have everything set up here. You get the 6.4 inch AMOLED display. This thing looks really good on paper and in person. The size of the phone, it seems smaller than it really is. It's all screen, it's got that curved display. So I think it's something that you have to be very wary of when using this device, because obviously it has that curve appeal, curve appeal, get it? But this color here is, they only come one color here on the TCL 10 Pro. You get the amber gray on this device. So it's a nice color though, I'm not gonna lie. They have the TCL branding. Then you got you got crazy camera array back there. So really, really nice. And like I said, this has the 675 Snapdragon processor. So you get 128 gigabytes of storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM on this TCL 10 Pro. You also have a micro SD card slot, so up to 256 gigabytes of additional storage. So that's really cool. Now this is running Android 10 out the box. Now this is a release software on here, so not really gonna run and gun on here yet because obviously this is not the final. This is a review unit and it's not really ready for the big boys right as yet. Now let's talk about the cameras here on the back. 64 megapixel high resolution here on the back here on the lenses, and then you also have a wide angle lens which is 16 megapixel. You also have a 5 megapixel super macro shooter here. So, and then you got your super low light video. So this one here is the 64, then your low light video, and then your 5 megapixel micro, and then your wide angle there. So pretty super duper there. Front facing camera is 24 megapixel on the front. So you could do 1080p 30 on the front, and then on the rears you can go at it at 4K 30. This has a big battery, 45 milliamp battery. That's nice. I like that. Hats off to TCL for the battery size, because that's excellent. Now this has a fingerprint reader on here. I haven't set it up yet. I will do that. Also, this has face unlock, so that's kind of cool. I haven't done that. I will do that. I'm gonna have a full review of this device coming up later. I just wanted to do a first impressions and unboxing of this TCL 10 Pro. But as you can see, man, it is really nice. The size, this is a really good size for a phone here. You're gonna have all your LTE. Now this gets NFC, so you won't have to worry about that, anything there. And then it also has, as we all have missed, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Shout out to all the yes sirs out there. And then you have, what else do you have on this bad boy out the box? But look, it's coming with Android 10 out the box, so you're gonna be pretty good. Now this is priced at 500 bucks or less, so this is not a bad deal for what you're getting in return. Big battery, big display. Hoping the cameras are good. Don't know yet. Haven't used it that much. They have some really cool features in their software that's a little different than some other companies. They have stuff like NXT Vision. And like I said, TCL makes great displays for some of their budget-friendly big screen TVs. So, you know, they are one of the leading consumer electric brands, and their slogan is display greatness, and you're seeing it right there. That's a nice display, really nice display. I'm really enjoying looking at this. And like I said, you want to start with the display. You want to have a good battery, you want to have a good camera, so hopefully those are good. You want to have good performance, and you want to have good software. So Snapdragon 675, we'll see how that is able to run and gun on a daily basis. You know, the TCL UI, you know, it's got some different things in there: gallery, recent apps, camera, smart manager, music. You could do a lot of different things. This also has a smart button here on the back, on the side here. You hit that, you know, you'll be able to get smart. So you could set that up. It's called the Essential Smart Key. You could do single press, double press, long press, you know, for Google Assistant, for all that cool stuff, so that you're able to access those things on here. Man, I love that it has a headphone jack. That is such a cool thing from TCL. And it's got that big battery, man, 4,500 milliamp battery, QC 3.0 fast charging, OTG reverse charging on here, so that you can, you know, charge up maybe some headphones, that kind of thing, from your port here, which is, you know, you know, whatever, if you want to use that or not. But yeah, man, that's it. That is the TCL 10 Pro first. Oh, the other thing, always on display. How about that? It has always on display so that you can check out your notifications, see what's going on. And you could customize this always on display here. And look, for under 500 bucks, you're getting 4,500 milliamp battery, a nice AMOLED display. You're getting hopefully some decent cameras. You're getting a Android 10 phone, and then you're getting, you know, a lot of different features that some of the big boys have. Yeah, it's a Snapdragon 675, but you know what? I'm interested to see what this does on an everyday basis. The TCL 10 Pro. It's a nice little color. It's a very sexy device. I'm not gonna lie. You have that beautiful texture on the back. Very nice display. I'm telling you, this thing is legit when it comes to being, you know, and you get an in-display fingerprint reader. You get face unlock. You get always on display. You're getting a lot of different things, and out the box, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM. You're getting a lot of different things that a lot of manufacturers aren't giving you when it comes to smartphones that right now. And think about it, right? If you think about it, $1,000 for an S20, $1,000 for a Pixel 4 XL when it dropped, basically. $1,000 for an iPhone 11 Pro, $1,000 for a OnePlus 8 Pro. Come on, that's too much money. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna have a review on this device. Now it has its own UI also, like its own launcher. So, you know, it's got some different features on here. Basic Google feed here on the left. So you're good to go. That's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Display greatness. The TCL 10 Pro. Peace, party people.